You probably have a jar of peanut butter at home right now, but have you ever really thought about what goes into making it? In this video, we're going behind the scenes, no filters, no fakes, just the real process of how your favorite spread is made. But few people realize what really happens inside a peanut butter factory. In this video, we're going to see exactly how peanuts turn into that smooth, golden paste loved around the world, from raw harvest to sealed jars, ready for your shelf. It all starts on the farm, where peanuts are grown in warm, sandy soil. Most commercial producers use high-yield Virginia or runner varieties because they're uniform in size and rich in oil. When harvest season arrives, special digging machines pull the plants from the ground, shake off excess soil, and leave them to dry in the sun for 2 to 3 days. Once cured, they're taken to shelling plants where high-speed rollers crack open the pods, separating the kernels from the shells and stems. Only the best peanuts make it to the factory. Workers and automated sensors sort them by size and color. Peanuts that are discolored, moldy, or broken are rejected immediately. Each batch must pass strict moisture and aflatoxin tests. Aflatoxin is a natural toxin from mold that can form in improperly stored peanuts, so every shipment is tested using ultraviolet light or chromatography before approval. Once cleared, the raw kernels are cleaned again inside the factory. They go through air classifiers, vibrating sieves, and magnetic separators to remove dust, stones, and any traces of metal. The clean peanuts then move into massive roasting drums, or continuous belt roasters, heated between 160 and 180 degrees for about 25 to 40 minutes. Roasting is critical. It drives out moisture, caramelizes sugars, and develops that classic nutty aroma. After roasting, the peanuts are quickly cooled by forced air to stop further cooking. The skins, now dry and brittle, are removed in blanching machines using rubber rollers or compressed air. Some factories use hot air blanchers that loosen skins while sterilizing the nuts at the same time. Once blanched, a laser sorting system removes any remaining dark spots, ensuring only perfectly golden peanuts continue to production. The next step is grinding. This is where the transformation begins. The roasted peanuts are fed into industrial grinders equipped with rotating metal plates. In the first pass, the peanuts are crushed into a coarse paste. In the second pass, high-speed blades spin at up to 3,000 revolutions per minute, turning the paste ultra-smooth. The heat generated by friction can reach 85 degrees, so cooling jackets circulate chilled water around the grinders to maintain consistency and prevent the oils from separating. Before grinding, some factories add small amounts of salt or sugar directly to the peanuts, depending on recipe standards. But the key ingredient that defines texture is stabilizer, usually fully hydrogenated vegetable oil. It keeps the peanut oil from separating on the shelf. The stabilizer is melted and mixed into the warm peanut paste under controlled conditions. For creamy peanut butter, the mixture goes through a homogenizer, a pressurized chamber that evenly disperses oil and solids, producing a uniform, silky texture. Chunky peanut butter follows a slightly different route. A portion of peanuts is crushed into small granules separately, then mixed back into the smooth base just before packaging. This timing is crucial. If added too early, the granules would soften and lose their crunch. At this point, the peanut butter mixture is tested. Technicians check its viscosity using rheometers, measure oil separation tendencies, and analyze flavor using trained sensory panels. They also check moisture levels. Peanut butter must contain less than 2% water to prevent spoilage. Once the mixture passes inspection, it's ready for packaging. The peanut butter is pumped through stainless steel pipelines to automatic filling stations. These machines can fill anywhere between 120 and 180 jars per minute with near-perfect accuracy. The filling nozzles are designed to minimize air bubbles, ensuring smooth, even layers. As each jar fills, a capping machine immediately seals it with an oxygen-tight lid. Before labeling, the jars travel through a metal detector and an X-ray scanner. These systems catch any foreign material, even something as small as a fragment of metal from the machinery. Then the jars move through a heat tunnel where tamper-evident seals shrink tightly around the lids. The labeling line applies full wrap labels, printed with nutritional information, barcodes, and batch codes for traceability. Every jar's label position is aligned automatically using optical sensors. Next, the jars are packed into cardboard trays, shrink-wrapped and palletized by robotic arms that stack hundreds of units per minute. Each finished pallet is weighed, logged, and moved into a climate-controlled warehouse, typically kept between 15 and 20 degrees C. This prevents oil separation and flavor degradation. From there, trucks distribute the product to retailers and wholesalers nationwide. Here's a fun fact. The average American eats more than 3 kilograms of peanut butter every year, and global production exceeds 5 million metric tons annually. Some of the world's largest plants can produce over 100,000 jars a day. That's more than 1 jar every second. Quality control doesn't end after packaging. Random samples are pulled from every batch for laboratory analysis. Scientists check peroxide values to detect early signs of rancidity, test microbial safety, and perform shelf life simulations using accelerated aging chambers. If any sample fails, the entire production lot is recalled for reprocessing. The process might seem complex, but it's a brilliant balance of chemistry and engineering. From carefully roasting peanuts to stabilizing oil molecules, each step ensures the perfect, spreadable consistency and long shelf life we often take for granted. And here's something surprising. Even though peanut butter feels simple, the machinery behind it is among the most advanced in food processing. Pressure sensors, viscosity meters, and real-time data logging systems ensure every jar tastes exactly the same, whether it's made today or 6 months from now. And here's something surprising. Even though peanut butter feels simple, the machinery behind it is among the most advanced in food processing. Pressure sensors, viscosity meters, and real-time data logging systems ensure every jar tastes exactly the same, whether it's made today or 6 months from now. So the next time you open a jar of peanut butter, remember what went into it. Farmers growing peanuts under the sun, engineers fine-tuning roasting drums, scientists testing samples, and machines running non-stop to create the world's favorite spread. If you found this video useful, press that subscribe button below, or at least just like the video.